Welcome back and onto the project for today. I want to move this gate over there where that concrete pillar is standing very loosely. So what happens now is our house borders directly on the road, and that means anytime the children or kids want to come to the backyard, they have to walk along the front of the house on the road. And with all of the lockdown maybe easing soon, that means that there's going to be a lot more traffic on the road, and people tend to drive a bit too fast here, so we're not too keen on them walking on the road. So I've got the concrete pillar in place. I'll take this wooden gate that I showed you before. Oh, sorry for that. This little wooden gate I'm going to take off and put up against the wall again over there. So I just need to move the gate so I know exactly where I can secure the concrete pillar. In the background you can hear the cars, and you can probably hear the frogs as well. They're over there, roughly by the pond, water mine, I don't know what you call that. I have made some progress on this hole. Starting to hit the soil that's a bit more clay, and that'll be dumping onto a different part. So you can see there is where I've been putting it for now. So that's all fairly good topsoil that I'll be reusing. Whereas the stuff that's down there, the lighter color brown stuff, I'll be using on top of, when I eventually fill it up with rubble and so on. But yeah, I'll get to work on the gate and show you when it's done. And here we go, almost done with the gate. I've taken it off and moved it along to the side. Mounted it already. There you can see. We lock it, and it seems secure enough. It's not the strongest of things, but it's enough to keep the dogs inside. I've put this extra cement pillar down there, a piece that's broken off of another one. One of our dogs loves to dig up the soil, so that's just to help prevent them from digging under the gate and managing to get out. So these were originally used to hold up a structure so that the grapes can grow on it, the vines, but the previous owners of the house didn't really care much for maintaining the vines, and I doubt we're going to be growing many grapes. So I have no use for them, so I'm trying to find other uses. There we go, we have a gate. Maybe not pretty, but it is functional. Just to cap off on the last video, or the last time I recorded, actually forgot I wanted to mention something. I did made a little bit more progress on this hole. And over here, they actually added some more sand. So this cement pillar isn't actually anchored down with any cement or anything. I literally just dug a hole and compacted the soil inside the hole, and then added some soil around it as well, just to keep it from shifting around. Just go to the other side again. You can see the latches still work. So I just put the sand down here to keep this cement pillar from moving around, and that way the dogs are still going to try and scratch away at it, but it won't move with people walking over it and so on. I'll probably add some more when I do eventually dig it out of the hole. But yeah, there we go, gate's done. Thanks for watching, see you next time.